Due to recent market crash, the creation charge of Flash USDT is cheaper. So it's best time to create your Flash USDT. So follow my video. I'll show you step by step. First go to remix.ethereum.org. Okay. And now click on create new file and name it usdt.sol. Enter. And now go to this link. I have pasted the code link in the video description below. Select all the code and copy it and paste it here on Remix. Close it and now go to Solidity Compiler tab and choose the compiler version 0.8.30 and click on compile usdt.sol. You will get a green check and now go to deploy and run transaction and choose the browser extension injected provider MetaMask. Now type your MetaMask wallet password, unlock it and now connect your wallet. So our wallet is now connected successfully. You need around 0.05 and some extra Ethereum to do all the process. Now drop down the verify contract on Explorer section and on token name type Tether and token symbol USDT. Now click on transact. On maxi field type 1 and confirm again on MetaMask to deploy the contract. So our transaction is complete. Okay, it might take some seconds. So now this is very important step. Go to deployed contract section, drop down and copy the address. This is your newly created contract address. Now go to etherscan.io. Now paste your newly created contract address and search it. Now we have to fund our contract. You can copy the contract address from Etherscan also to make sure everything goes right. Now go to MetaMask and send Ethereum and paste the contract address and type the amount 0.05 and click on continue and confirm. Okay, so our transaction is complete. Now let's refresh the page. Okay, so our balance is now showing on our contract address. Also our balance is showing on Remix. So let's start. Click on start and on max field do same, type 1 and confirm. Okay, confirm on MetaMask. All right, so our transaction is complete. Okay, now click on back to home and this is final step. Click on withdrawal and same, type 1 on backfield and confirm again on MetaMask. So we have done all the process. Wait for a few moments. So okay, let's check our MetaMask. All right, it might take some time, but no worries. All right, so we have just received 50,000 Flash USDT. Now you can transfer it to Trust Wallet or any betting site or your Binance or any other exchange you use. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it.